Recently, I posted a video where I calculated the speed of this Rosy wolf snail. The number I came up with was an ostensibly meager 3 millimeters per second. But when I googled Rosy wolf snail speed to check my number, I inadvertently stumbled upon nothing short of a full-blown snail conspiracy. Seriously, this little rabbit hole I've fallen into could make a perfect case study for how misinformation is spread online. I originally intended for this video to be about cool snail facts, but after seeing this, I felt that it needed to be addressed. Look at this. First result on Google, big, bold letters. The Rosy wolf snail can crawl up to 19 miles per hour. This is coming from the University of Florida, the same people that invented Gatorade, mind you. In 2021, these guys were ranked 6th best public university in the United States. So why do they have this utter nonsense on their website? 19 miles per hour? A snail? Most humans can't even run that fast. Seriously, what are these guys smoking down in the swamp?
You don't think the question makes any sense? That's entirely possible, since there's an opportunity that I may very well write a question that even I couldn't answer.
I mean, I was utterly astounded that such a mistake could have taken place. 19 miles per hour? Are you kidding me? I understand that this is just a blog post, but it still has the University of Florida.edu domain, which one would think would be a reliable source. Remember Gatorade? I trusted these people, but this just can't be right. So what gives? There's just no way a snail, let's reiterate, a snail can move 19 miles per hour. Or can they? No, they can't. Absolutely can't. So I reached out to them. I sent an email to the contact listed on this blog post asking if it was a typo or if they actually had a source to back up this claim. This was the response I got. So the person that replied prefaced by stating that the author no longer works there, then proceeded to quote the article, highlighting that this blinding velocity comes only in exceptionally short bursts. Not short bursts, though, heaven forbid. No, just one single burst throughout its entire lifespan, I guess. Who the hell knows? I replied, insisting that I thought there had been a mistake, and that I would love to see any links they could provide which might prove the contrary, but I still haven't heard anything back. At this point, I really just wanted to get to the bottom of this, so I did some more Googling. I wanted to know how fast the fastest snail in the world is, or was, so that I could see how that speed held up to this incredible 19 miles per hour achieved down in Florida. So, according to Google, the garden snail is actually the fastest snail in the world at 0.03 miles per hour. There is no mention of the Rosy wolf snail or any speeds remotely close to 19 miles per hour anywhere in the results. According to most of the results, the fastest snail ever recorded was a garden snail named Archie. But that's bullshit too. Archie holds the Guinness World Record for fastest snail race, measured in minutes, not the record for fastest snail in the world. His record is 2 minutes, which is the time it took him to cross the 33-centimeter snail racing track at the annual World Snail Racing Championships held in Congham, UK. Yes, that is a thing that happens every year somewhere in England. But back to Archie. I had to scroll all the way down to the 4th link, but I found a site that converted the information on the Guinness website into an actual speed, and it turns out that he moved at around 2.8 millimeters per second. So the fastest snail in the world is 2.8 millimeters per second, and our Rosy wolf snail is about 8,500 millimeters per second? Sounds about right. But hold on, I calculated the speed of the Rosy wolf snail to be about 3 millimeters per second. I even double-checked using 3 different sets of X values. What's more, the Wikipedia article for the Rosy wolf snail lists its top speed as being 8 millimeters per second. That's over twice as fast as Archie, and there's even a reliable source to back this up. So now we have 2 equally credible sources, and even one uncredible source saying that the Rosy wolf snail is faster than Archie, faster than any other garden snail for that matter. But this species doesn't come up anywhere in the Google results for fastest snail species, or fastest snail in the world, or any other combination of search terms that aren't specific to the Rosy wolf snail. And every time you search for anything related to the Rosy wolf snail, you are greeted with this atrocity. What gives? This is like a vicious cycle of misinformation. But, believe it or not, I didn't set out to make this video a social commentary on the spread of misinformation. I simply wanted to make a cool snail video where I calculate its speed and then talk about what kind of snail it is, because it's a cool snail. As of me doing the final edit for this video, I have still not received a response from the University of Florida blog. And I know this was a simple mistake on the author's part, and it probably doesn't merit the level of criticism I've dished out, but this post has been up for 2 years, 3 years, and a couple of other websites have even posted articles about the snail citing the 19 miles per hour speed. There's been ample time to catch this mistake, and I've even given them plenty of time myself to respond to my request to take it down, so I don't feel bad about making this video. But honestly, it blows my mind that people don't just use common sense. I mean, any rational person knows that a snail cannot go 19 miles per hour. They just can't. How did nobody from the Florida blog, or from the 2 other websites that cited this speed from the blog, stop to question if 19 miles per hour is perhaps a tad fast for a snail to go, and maybe there's been an error somewhere? It's almost as if people will just blindly accept any outrageous fact you throw at them as long as it's followed by a .edu domain. Anyway, thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments what you think, and please subscribe.